Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Thetanuts token. Ticker symbol is NUTS. Now this is from Thetanuts Finance, and this token, it was just announced, will be getting a brand new, a very big central exchange listing starting May 20th on a very big central exchange. We're going to be going over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed on a very big central exchange starting May 20th at 10 a.m. UTC time. You'll be able to get this token on Bybit. So you can download Bybit from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on May 20th after 10 a.m. UTC time and search ticker symbol NUTS, and then simply just buy the token. Now before that, they have an IDO, an initial DEX offering on Bybit WEB3. You could find the information about that on Twitter at Bybit_Web3. And there is a subscription event going on from May 13th all the way until, looks like, May 20th. Where they have a subscription and snapshot. So the subscription ends on the 17th, and then the snapshot is from the 17th to the 20th, and then the listing is on the 20th. So you can get involved with any one of those there. And if Bybit is not available in your country, because it's not always available in everyone's country, this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum chain, and it says you will be able to get this token eventually on Uniswap as well. So around the same time, around the 20th, when it gets listed on Bybit, you'll be able to get it on Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the Thetanuts Finance token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, thetanuts.finance. Now, if you go over to their webpage, you can also find socials like the Twitter. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there. Huge Twitter following, 102,000 Twitter followers. They have a document section that has tons of info, docs.thetanuts.finance. So this is the Thetanuts Finance V3 upgrade. Our first to market V3 architecture uses our existing basic Vault LP tokens to extend new use cases in on-chain options trading, enabled by lending, market, and Uniswap V3 pools, which are all housed within the V3 interface. So it says ticker symbol XYZ-C, which is the call basic Vault LP token, and ticker symbol XYZ-P, which is the put basic Vault LP token, represent fungible and transferable tokenized basic vault positions and form the backbone of all trading strategies on Thetanuts Finance V3. So the benefits of the Thetanuts Finance V3 upgrade is, number one, basic vaults remain the core of Thetanuts Finance V3. Basic vaults will continue to be at the core of Thetanuts with the basic Vault LP tokens being used to bootstrap the rest of the V3 ecosystem. This allows us to leverage their prior track record of leading option vault protocol focused on altcoins. Number 2 is housing V3 under the unified interface. V3 will feature an upgraded trading-like interface abstracting the need for traders to interact individually with basic vaults, AMM, and the lending-borrowing market. Also, the ability to buy options. So option vault strategies mainly center around the sell side with no ability for users to go long. V3 will change this through the use of automated market maker and lending markets. Then we have the flexibility to exit basic Vault LP positions. So prior to V3, Vault LPs would need to wait until the end of the next epoch, implying that they could not exit their positions until a week later. With the AMM, a user could simply swap out the basic Vault LP tokens instantly, closing their position without having to wait for the end of the epoch. They also have battle-tested infrastructure. So AVE V2 was referenced during the creation of Thetanuts Finance V3 lending market. And with the protocol never being exploited prior, combined with the Thetanuts Finance and Uniswap V3 tech stack that has never been exploited, the Thetanuts Finance team is confident of the security and safety of the V3 upgrade. Then we have additional sources of yield and incentives. So through Thetanuts Finance V3, users have access to additional sources of yield beyond just option premiums from the basic vaults. These additional sources include lending interest from the lending market, trading fees from AMM, potential NUTS tokens incentives, and potential additional token incentives. We also have protocol solvency, so basic vaults and Thetanuts Finance are 100% collateralized. And then the last upgrade here for V3 is free market pricing. Unlike other option protocols where 4 is used as an input to price options, V3 features free market pricing, whereby if users believe that AMM pricing is incorrect, they can arbitrage this opportunity for profit. So those are all the new upgrades there on Thetanuts Finance for the V3. They have the token utility here. So the NUTS token is the governance token of the Thetanuts Finance ecosystem and will be used to achieve the long-term objectives of the protocol, including decentralization, governance, and incentives. So you can use it for VE tokenomics and gauge voting, governance and decentralization, value accrual, and boosted emissions. There's also liquidity incentives and dynamic liquidity provisioning. So NUTS and ERC20 token will have a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens, and will have an initial circulating supply of around 7.5%. Now, how the token is split up here, we got 43.5% going to the community, 11.9% going to investors, 20% to team, 20.1% to treasury, 3% to airdrop season number 1, 1% public sale, and 0.5% initial liquidity. So go check this token out. You can find all the info at docs.thetanuts.finance. And you'll be able to get this token soon on Bybit and Uniswap and possibly other exchanges as well. So just stay tuned for more announcements. Follow their Twitter right there at Thetanuts. FI is the X. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.